Hello guys, welcome to the stream. Yeah, so it's a new day. So I'm planning to finish a top step 50K challenge as well as trying to trade at 25K funding pips two-step challenge. And yeah, that's one part which these are the two things which I'm going to do. So let's get started and yeah, let's see what happens. Uh-huh. Lovely. So let's go here. So this is my top step. Uh, this is my top step account where I am at 51 100 and I have a daily drawdown limit of 2000 for the and I need to get 3000 as profit. So I need 2000 more. So that's the other thing which I'm going to do today. It's a great place, and here let's get started. So this is the place where I find out what number of lots I need to take care. Okay, then next, so we'll go. So this is Euro USD, and yeah, here we need to connect to paper trading. Yeah, it's already connected to paper trading. Now let's get started. We don't need this. Uh, yeah, yeah. This is Euro USD. This is USD JPY. I don't trade in GBP USD as I don't see. I get influenced by the Euro USD movement and I get into it, and that's a big issue. So I'm not going to do that. And this is going to be our beautiful gold, and this is going to be our crude oil. So the four script which is we are constantly looking are Euro USD, USD JPY, gold, and crude. And the thing which we need to consider is these gold and crude oil are future, and Euro USD and USD JPY are what to say are Forex. And you see here, I had a trade here. I booked it 1:2. I could have got 1:4 easily. Yeah, anyway, it's okay. So our main two scripts are gold as well as Euro USD. Okay, we don't. These are the two scripts which we look for, and apart from that, we don't care about that. We don't care about the other two that much, but we do trade if it is a proper system or something like that. So yeah, and I'll be looking at the chats or anything else if you want to look at. So in 8 minutes we will have a London Open, and before that we need to mark all the things. Okay, so we are starting. So we go for the weekly analysis, and just a second. Yeah, we are not going to get this stuff. Okay, so we have the weekly analysis here. Yeah, this is the weekly analysis. This is a higher time frame where I have. Yeah, in the higher time frame, we can still say that it is bullish. And it's bullish, definitely bullish. And in the daily time frame, we can see that it has already. Yeah, now the beautiful thing is this: it has already created a breakout structure. Yesterday it took the FEG and it went for a move, and today it just came down. So I'm expecting a good movement to the upside only. Yeah, so the daily buys we are bullish, and let's go with the 4 hour. Let's see what's 4 hour. Yeah, this was our draw of liquidity when we initially marked, and it got hit. Beautiful. Now let's see what happens. Yeah. So we have a breakout structure here. This took the liquidity down. This took the liquidity, or let's say this took our liquidity, and it just created another breakout structure. So now the whole movement is now the whole trend which we are looking, this is the 4 hour external. Okay, we'll go with the green, or let's say go with the violet. Where is it? Yeah, H4. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so higher time frame we'll go for this. And where did the price start from? It went down, came, And where did this high was created? This was created by this low. Okay, so these are the main areas which we are taking the trade. So I just need to copy and paste it here. Okay, 1 hour. Now we go for the 1 hour. What's this happening? We don't need to see this much. Okay, so this was too much confusion down here. Took the liquidity, create a breakout structure and another breakout structure. So it's all bullish. One, sorry, yeah. One thing which we really need to understand is we have a breakout structure to the upside, and now we have a breakout structure to the downside. Now the current trend is bearish. Okay, which does not mean that, I mean, the internal trend is bearish. Yeah, I need this internal to be just a second. Yeah, let's see. Save as. Internal. This is the internal breakout structure. We have internal breakout structure here because I don't want to go this much down, and major medium inducement. Yeah, let it be there. That's not a big issues. Okay, cool. So we have internal breakout structure. So the current trend is downwards, and you can see here how this price has taken. So it came up, came here, took the sweep high, made this low. Now we are in M15. Now here what happened? Here it took the inducement. Wonderful, came down, and now what? Now let's see what's happened. What happened here is. Yeah, we can discuss that. And we have a breakout structure. Yeah, in 1 second or in 3 minutes, we'll have the New York Open, sorry, London Open. We have this M15 down here. This was the inducement that happened. This inducement took place. Beautiful, created a FEG, and this FEG we have taken down. And yeah, and so to be honest, this is a good place to go long. Okay, that's our criteria. This was the mitigation. This was the inducement. Now let's see what's the inducement happening. Just a second, I'll be back soon. Yeah, so guys, we are back again. Yeah, I'm just had to do some meditation and some pre-ritual, pre-trade rituals. So yeah, so we can say that. So in the 15 minutes, it's definitely bearish. So we don't need to go for the sells here. We don't need to go for the buys here because if we entered the buy here, mm, yeah, it's definitely it's a place where it has happened the induction. We can look for buys. We want to look for the buys, but we need to see where the inducement happened. Yeah, this is a good inducement. This is a what to say. Just a second. Oh yes. We have this inducement, then we have a proper mitigation to the downside, and we have a valid POI. And yeah, it's a good place if you want to go for long. Yeah, and before that, let me update my video here. So yeah, trade live London session. Yeah, we have it. So the people who wants to watch can watch, and it will be helpful for them. So yeah, the 4 minutes has passed after the London Open. Now we can look, yeah, look for the buys if you want, but it's definitely now. Let's see what happened. So this came here. This was the inducement. We had the where the inducement happened here, came up. This liquidity has been taken by this inducement, created a breakout structure showing a great bullish intent. Good, it's good. Okay. And we can see that this inducement got respected here, gave a reaction. Now it has taken these liquidities from down here and down here, and it has reached to our last place where the price can move up. Okay, now there are two scenarios as always for our entry. One scenario, it needs to go and break up, then come down. We'll enter here, and this would be our target. This would be our entry breakout structure. We'll cover the low here or here. Yeah, let's say it here, and our target would be 1:2 as always. And yeah, our target would be 1:2. And the another case would be, suppose if the price does not want to come up that fast, and we can enter from here in that case. But the issue with the reversal is, since it is a reversal, I would not recommend this because it would be then risky, and I do not want to take unnecessarily stupid trades. So we are on long, and you can see here that this has again took the liquid good movement to the upside. We are not, and in 15 minutes, what is happening? This whole FVG got taken up. Yeah, we can look for longs, dude. We can look for longs. Beautiful. We need to have this break of structure to the upside. Then only it will work. And we need the price to come back. Then we'll take the trade. Okay, now let's look at the Euro USD EMC market. Euro USD FXCM. Yeah, Forex.com is fine. Either way, it's fine. Which one is it? FXCM, right? Yeah. Cool. So we have already things marked down here. Yeah, we don't need that. So it's the basic scenarios it took here, created a breakout structure. In that one, another breakout structure to the downside came. We have this equal highs available, equal lows, or is it equal low or a, that's really relevant. Okay, if it is equal low, no, it has taken down. So this was the point of inducement, created a higher high with a good strong intent. Now we are back. Now this was the last inducement which happened, which gave rise to this move. Okay, Now we are in the zone where we can go for buys. I am perfectly happy with going long here. But again, we don't go long on H1. We want the price to come up, take the price, created a breakout structure. That's where we have it. It took here, created a breakout structure, went up. Yeah, definitely we can go for long here. It's a good trade. It can go fake, but it's like what? 60. Now we need to calculate the lot size. 380 by how much it is? 65, which is like it's like 5.8 lot. Okay, yeah, we can go for that. Euro USD. So I am in the Euro USD and I am 5.8 lot. Yeah, we are in that. We already took the trade down in the Euro USD. We have an entry. Let's see. We want this load to be covered. Okay, so we have the trade from here. We will make this as the SL to break even. It's going to be a beautiful trade if it happens. The reason I took the trade is I took the trade in 5 minutes. Okay, because we have this breakout structure. Again, we have this two leg protocol available, and I took the price came up. Yeah, it's okay. It's a good trade. I'm perfectly fine with the trade. Okay, now we'll post it in our chat. I need to say which is trade 364 USD long. Yeah, we'll go for the entry here. We'll put the SL here. We'll put the SL to USL to be wonderful. Yeah, it's a good place to go for a long. I'm perfectly fine with this, but this has taken the low. Okay, like I said, we had this breakout structure and it just went down fast. But now this has been taken out, so we don't consider this moment. And we are near the Asia low, so this would act as an SMT. That's the thing. We would not take the trade here. I think this is going to mess it up. Okay, now we did a stupid mistake. We did a stupid mistake. We didn't see this. Here we have the Asia low, and we are not supposed to take the trade near Asia low. That is not good. That was a mistake. What's the point is that if you take the trade in Asia low, this would mostly get induced. Mostly, not always, but mostly. Yeah, it's not good now. Yeah, it's not good now. We are done. Nah, this was a stupid trade. I do agree with that. Mm, I do not see any way it's recovering. So, like always, I have two trades loss I can happen in a session, and this is a stupid mistake. Yeah, that got triggered. There's no point. Mm, that happened like within 5 minutes. That is not a good one. Anyway, we'll update that. It happens. It's not. I should not have take that. Trade loss minus 1%. We have no issues with that. It's fair only. Mm. But yeah, now if you want to go for the long, then this would always. Oh man. Yeah, this could have been a good place to go short. Okay. Now, after this takes the inducement down here, which it already has. Now let's see what's happening. Where do we have the FEGs available? We don't have any FEG. Nah. Yeah, but still it can bounce from any place, so it's okay. Look here. Now we can look for longs. That's not a big problem. 15 minutes. Yeah, now the question is, do we consider this as a good retracement? No. This is the original. Yeah, we can look for buy here. No issues with that. Yeah, we took the liquidity down here. It can shoot up. Now the question is, this was the last inducement which has happened. Now we want one great inducement to happen. So now this needs to get broken out. Then only I will look for a trade. And in Euro USD, yeah, that's a stupid trade. I still can go for long. Yeah, it's a good place to go long now. So all the people would be on shorts. Yeah, but it's going against the trend. We don't take the trade here. Now let's see for what's crude doing. Crude. Yeah, in the daily time frame. Now we can remove certain time frames, right? Yeah, I cannot remove it. Fine, let's go with the daily one. Yeah, it's already, we have this FEG down here forever. Let's see what's it's, is there anything in forever? Forever it's just going strong. In 1 hour, I think we have some FEGs. No, no. Yeah, we can look at this place for a buy. Suddenly took this liquidity, created a break of structure. Let the price come. This will act as an order block. In 15 minutes, this will act as an order block. But the problem which we face is here, it's in the downside for the, now the order flow is in the downside and we have the inducement happened here, so we don't want that. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's a good place to go for a buy, but we need at least this to get taken out, or yeah, this is the inducement, right? We need this to get taken out. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, let's see what happens. The crude is giving a reaction. What about gold? Yeah, gold, we can get this one correct. Still, this is in control. It's a risky trade. Let's see what happens. MGC. Yeah, do we really need to take the trade? That's the question. Yeah, why not? Yeah, why not? Go with 30 and 110, 310, 10 micro gold, 10 buy.
Order filled.
It's always. And this would be the trade for this session. To be honest, I won't take any more trades. This is the high. Now let's say we've taken the trade here. Yeah, we will update that trade. 365. 365. Gold long. Yeah, I'm perfectly happy with this trade. Now, why I'm happy with this trade? Now, that's the question, right? I'm happy with this trade because it's a good place to go for a buy because it's in the bottom. It's very cheap. We had a confirmation down here. We had this inducement down here. It will get, and we will move. The best place would be to break this and go, but I don't see that's happening. So, yeah, this is the sell to break even. We will put it up. We will take the trade. We'll move this SL to our break even when we touch here. And the people who are watching in this video, if you have any doubts, if you want to see some script, yeah, definitely you can ask me. I'll be able to help with that. So yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, so our gold just came down. Yeah, it's still a valid trade. Now it has given a proper confirmation. Oh, yes, now we can enter here, and that's it. This is a good trade. I would be happy to do so. The whole trend is up. It tried to break all this structure down here. We can mark this as drawn liquidity down here. Had and drawn liquidity. Yeah, we can put it as red then. Yeah, it's a good trade. Yeah, let's see what happens here. We'll wait for our trade at. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, we'll just wait and see what happens. Yeah. Yeah, the price has given a strong movement to the upside, and yeah, we are just waiting to see what will happen next. And this would be the place where we'll move our price to break even. So, yeah, it's a good one. Let's see. Hmm. Let us wait and see what happens. Okay, we are reaching near our break even point. Let's see what happens. And yeah, because I'm not looking any other charts, because if we look at the charts, then we would like to take another more trade, and that becomes a huge problem. So I'm not going to do that. So that's that. Wonderful. Our price has reached here. Now we are just moving that up till here. We don't care about that. We are happy with it. This would be now SL to break even. We are risk free now. Let it go gold. Let us see what's happening. So if anybody have any doubts or any queries they need to get solved, please let me know. I'd be happy to help you. So let's get started. Yeah, our goal is on the run. Let's be happy. And one good thing which we can do is, yeah, let's enjoy the moment. There is no point in doing nothing. We just wait and see what happens. Beautiful, beautiful sheets. Yeah, the price will try to come down, but it's okay. We don't need to do anything else. So let's wait and watch what's happening. So, yeah. Yeah, the price is going up. It's beautifully going up. Let it hit. Let it hit. The Euro USD has confirmed the movement. But there's no point. We are not taking the trade anymore because our trade is here. Yeah, pretty much sure it will go up. Yeah, definitely it will take that. And we don't want anything more because we are not greedy. Right? We are not greedy anymore. Okay, let's wait and watch. No more risk. Yeah, the price is moving up. It's going good. We could expect more movement, but we are not greedy anymore, so we don't do that. So we'll wait for the price to hit, come and take it out. We are waiting for the price to come back down. Or we just need it. What? How much we are for 20? We are at. Yeah, I'm closing my live chat here. That live, we can close it. Seems it would either hit or not. I don't want to stay here, and there's no point, right? Does anybody have any questions or something? We could talk it out. But apart from that, yeah. So, anybody have any questions before closing? I can help you with that. To be honest, it's a good place to sell. I am booking the profit.
Order filled.
The reason being, yeah, this is a good place it can react from, and I don't want to make any loss. So now we have a profit of 400. Yeah, it would win. I know that it's 80%. I'm fine with that. So that's it. So if you don't have any question, let's close the chat, and that's it. Thank you for watching. And let's, yeah, I might be trading on London session. Sorry, on the New York session. So we can meet at that time. So have a nice day. Take care. Ciao.